Tap tap. Huh? Who was that? Oh well. Hee.
I will find you, and I will kill you.
Let's check. Oh no! Huh. Found you. I have found you. And now I will kill you! So you think you could just tap me on the back and get away with it? Well, no. Not this time. This time I'm gonna kill you!
Yeah, morning. Most of the time, nobody around here. This happened in Milagros 2 years ago. If you want
Ah! Whoa! Oh, no. Today, you die. You think you could just get away with this? Well, think again. Today, you die. Oh no. So, you think you're going to kill me? Well, I don't think so. Wait, I have an offer. And what may that be? If you don't kill me, I'll give you a Pringle. Yes. Here. Gimme. Oh. Good. Friends? Yeah, friends. Yeah. What were we doing before? I don't know. I don't remember. Kids, what are you doing? Oh, that's what we were doing before. Yeah, we were in class writing. Want a Pringle? A Pringle? Give me it. Here. I saw nothing. Hey, what are you doing out here? I'm the principal. I've been chasing you for so long.
I mean, this is getting back to.
Do you know how much trouble you're in? And you, teacher, do you know how much trouble you're in? Want a Pringle?